Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's video we are going to take a complete and practical look at how you can use a Google Bard to research any topic quickly and effectively. Research can often be time consuming, confusing and overwhelming, especially when you are working on assignments, academic papers, business ideas or content creation. That's where Google Bard comes in as a powerful AI research assistant. You must be wondering that I am talking about Google Bard and but I have opened Google Gemini in front of me. But let me clear your confusion that Google Bard is the second name of the Gemini tool. Okay, so in this video we are basically going to discuss about Google Gemini, how to use it for practical demonstration or for practical explanation of your or research for any of your topic. So first of all, this is the website of the Google Gemini. Okay, and I have already logged into my account. As you can see that my account is already logged in. If you want to upgrade your account, you can click on this go upgrade to Google AI Plus, in which you will get multiple other features as well. You can use Google Gemini tool for other purposes as well, like you can use it to create image, write anything, help it to learn, boost my day. It will give you all the information that you require. So let's suppose we want to do a research about YouTube, or you can say anything that you must be interested in. Or if you want to make a search about evolution of AI, it will provide you the complete details, or make an article for you, write an article for you, each and everything. So let's write it here. Give me a detailed research on evolution of artificial intelligence till now. Okay, so we are going to check it for till now. So now hit the enter button and it will start working on your command, and it will do all the research analysis using all the Google platform websites, each and everything, and it will provide you the detailed data here. As you can see that it has started providing the details and the text form. If you want to convert it into a PDF form, you can do it in the same way. You can make a research about any topic, whether it's technology based, whether it's scientific based, whether it's biological life based, each and everything. You just need to write a prompt here, and it will get you all the information that you required. And if you want all the information, export to sheets, or if you want the whole information in the PDF form, it will provide you the PDF form as well. So that's all about Google Bard, or you can say Gemini, about how you can use it for researching about any topic. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.